welcome to Arnav's Toy Review. And today, we're playing board games which you've never played before. First, and there are 100 games in this thing. First up, this board and this. We got a lot of games coming up here, and some of these you've never seen before, which is why we're doing the games which have never been seen before. And then continue. Okay. And as you can see here, it says 100 games. So there's 100 games in this, and you might think like there is actually 100 games in this. And today I'm going to be playing all the games you've never seen before. For an example, this. First, you get a dice. Then you get a dice, and then you get these pawns, and up to 2 to 4 players can play this game. As you can see, the colors are red, green, blue, and yellow. So if you have 3 people in your family, or 4, you can all your family can play or not, or any amount which is 2 or bigger. First, you need at least 1 dice, and then each player picks 1 color. Daddy, this is you. Come here. You need to pick. Our color on the same color that matches. And the player which goes first rolls the dice. Then the number he rolls is how many spaces he goes. For an example, I roll this dice and I rolled a 1, so I move my pawn 1 step. Then, Daddy, your turn. Next up, my daddy rolls a 6, so he moves at least 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I roll again. Then I roll a 6. So I move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then my dad rolls a 3, so he rolls his pawn 3. For an example, 1, 2, 3. So he rolls here. So he goes there. And you need to keep going until one of the players comes back here and passes this. So the first player to go back to his spot first is the winner. So I roll a 1, so I go there, and I roll. Then my dad rolls a 6, so he moves 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I roll again, and I rolled a 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and it says plus 8. So I move actually 8 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I was here and my dad was right here, he has to roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he has to, and my dad was here, he has to roll a 3 or 4 to win. A 3, 4, 5, or 6 to win. So say I am right here and my dad's here. My dad needs to roll a 3 or 4, 5, or 6 to win, and I need to roll a 1 to win. And say my dad is up next. and he rolls a 3, so he wins. And if it was the opposite, and I was up next, and I rolled a 2, I win. So there you have it. Next up, let's set the board up all over again. And when you're done, put all your stuff back into its bag. Playing this, Snakes and Ladders. You might know Snakes and Ladders already, but this is a very different game. This is a very different board. It's the same game as Snakes and Ladders, but instead it has different stuff. And this game, actually, I don't know how we play this game. How do we play these games? And some of these games are a little complicated, and you might not know how to play some of them. But you don't need to worry, because there are instructions. Just read how to play them. And then that's all. Oh, peace out. And all of these are the games. As you see, they're double-sided. For an example, this Snakes and Ladders on one side, and this one on the other. And all these are the games. Now I'll flip them over, then you can see the other one. This is tic-tac-toe. And we just did this for an example. And last but not least, we'll do this one. First, we put these on the gooses. They have numbers, and we put them in the order. Whoever goes first gets put on there. Whoever is going first, they put their pawn on the number 1. Whoever's going next put theirs on the number 2. Whoever's going third puts theirs on the number 3. Whoever's going fourth puts theirs on the number 4. Then the first player rolls the dice. Then he rolls a 5, and I rolled a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at 1. So I move all the way to the number 5. And then my dad goes next, and he rolls a 5. So he goes on with me, but I'm going next. So I put mine on the bottom. Then I roll, and then I roll a 5. So I move 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, it says go to 12. So he moves to the 12. And then these things tell you something that you have to do with your pawn. So next, I go next, and I roll a 6. So I move 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until one of us wins. So say I'm here, and my dad is right behind me, and my dad goes next, and he rolls a 1. So he goes with me. And if I roll a 3,